This is the kind of pasta you make when you want to seriously impress someone, but still want dinner on the table fast. If you love good pasta, you're going to fall in love with this. And stay with me until the end because I'm going to show you a secret variation that makes this dish lighter, healthier, and completely gluten-free. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it now so you don't miss recipes like this one. First, in a large bowl, add 4 ounces of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Then 3 egg yolks and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk everything together until smooth and creamy and set it aside. This is the heart of our carbonara sauce. Now for the seafood. Cut 14 ounces of firm white fish into small chunks, no bones, and finely chop 1/4 cup of fresh parsley for later. Fill a large pot with 1 gallon of water. Add kosher salt, 2 bay leaves, and 1 star anise. Bring it to a rolling boil. Drop in 10 ounces of linguine pasta and cook until perfectly al dente. While the pasta is cooking, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and let it become fragrant. Now add 10 ounces of shrimp and your fish chunks. Season with a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Cook gently for about 3 minutes. Before draining the pasta, scoop out 1/3 cup of that starchy pasta water and reserve it. That's liquid gold. Add cleaned mussels into the pan, then pour in 1/3 cup of white wine. Let it simmer for about a minute so the alcohol cooks off. Stir in 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice for brightness. Now add the hot drained pasta straight into the pan with the seafood. Toss everything together gently. Here comes the magic. Slowly whisk that hot reserved pasta water into your egg and cheese mixture. This prevents the eggs from scrambling and creates that silky, glossy sauce. Pour this creamy mixture over the pasta. Lower the heat and gently stir for about 1 minute until the sauce coats every strand beautifully. Stir in the chopped parsley. Serve immediately on warm plates, finished with extra Parmesan on top. And now, the secret I promised. If you want a lighter, more natural option, you can swap the linguine for zucchini noodles. Zoodles don't need boiling, just toss them directly into the hot pan at the end. The residual heat softens them perfectly. And yes, that version is completely gluten-free. Same incredible sauce, same juicy seafood, just a healthier twist. If you love this recipe, leave me a comment and tell me which version you choose. Classic linguine or zucchini. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy restaurant quality recipes like this.